In this video, I'm going to teach you how to upload zip file in OneDrive. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to Microsoft.com and under the products, just locate OneDrive. Once you're in there, proceed to actually go over and create account if you don't have one yet. Click on this create a free account if you want. Once you have created a free account, you should be able to sign in directly. On my case, I already have an account, so let me just proceed to click on the sign in option that will appear. So on my case, here is my actual OneDrive. You can upload a zip file just like how you upload a regular file. So click on the disk creator upload, then choose right here files upload. And after you have done that, you should be able to actually open in here uploader. Locate your zip file. I have in here this one and click on open. You should be able to upload that particular file right here directly on your cloud or your OneDrive. So just wait for this to be uploaded. Once it's done uploading, you can find it right here. You can just click on this particular file, click on open, and as you can see, you can't actually open it. So what is the workaround for this? What we can do is we can proceed to just sign in our OneDrive on our computer. You can find it by going over to your File Explorer. I have my File Explorer right here. Just click on your OneDrive. And from in there, I have in here my actual zip file. Double click it in order to open it. And from in there, you should be able to see in here this. It will download that particular item. Just wait for this to load. And from in there, you should be able to open the actual zip file and see all of the files directly from there. So you can access it directly from this as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.